This video is produced by the UCD Math Support Centre in conjunction with the UCD Access Centre. In this video we will be looking at how to solve questions involving limits. So often when we're confronted with a question involving limits, it can be a case of just subbing directly in to the function. So if we are asked to find the limit of f of x is equal to x plus 1 all over 2x plus 4 as x approaches 2, what we can do is straight away sub in f of 2, which gives us 2 plus 1 all over 2 times 2 plus 4, which is equal to 3 over 6 or 1 over 2. We get no issues here with division by 0 or taking the square root of a negative number or anything like that, so we come to a satisfactory answer. And when doing limit questions, this would always be our first step, is when asked to find the limit as x approaches a number, our first thing is to sub that number in. If it works and we don't get division by 0 or the square root of any negative numbers, we can say that that is satisfactory and gives us our final answer. Now, substitution sometimes won't work, and it would sometimes require a little bit more work. So if we are asked to find the limit of x minus 4 all over x squared minus 2x minus 8 as x approaches 4, we find that using direct substitution gives us 4 minus 4 on the top line and 16 minus 8 on the bottom line, which gives us 0 over 0. And again, this is a massive no-no. We definitely do not want this. So, like we saw in the previous video, where we approached 4, or in that case 1, from either side, so from the left or from the right, getting closer and closer to the value of interest using tables, we would get it close to an answer, but we want to see, can we do any better? So looking at this, on the bottom line we have a quadratic equation. Often enough, these can be factorized quite quickly using either the minus b formula or by factorizing just by I. So x minus 4 all over x squared minus 2x minus 8 becomes x minus 4 all over x minus 4 times x plus 2. And with that, we can see that we have an x minus 4 as a factor on the top and an x minus 4 as a factor on the bottom, meaning we can cancel both of these out, leaving us with 1 over x plus 2. So the solution will then be as follows. The limit as x approaches 4 of x minus 4 all over x squared minus 2x minus 8 is actually the same thing as the limit as x approaches 4 of 1 over x plus 2. The reason being, the x minus 4 all over x squared minus 2x minus 8 is actually the same thing as 1 over x plus 2, having factorized the bottom line. Again, using either factorization by I or alternatively using the minus b formula. So now we'll try substitution again, and we find that subbing in 4 gives us the answer of 1 over 4 plus 2, which is equal to 1 over 6.